Thank you all very much for your patience. Actually, I was waiting for you, so maybe you should thank me. But I do want to thank all of you for the orderly and dignified way you cast your ballots, and not one of you yelled at me for making us show an ID before you cast the ballot, something I think we all can agree with. Now the campaign is now over. I will announce the results, but obviously I want to remind everybody that regardless of what the results are, whether your candidate won or did not win, or was the top vote getter, or wherever they stood, that we are all CRA, and we all need to move forward from today and work together to take our state back. And that has to start in this room with the people in this room. We have elections to elect our leaders because we believe in the process, and we believe in our ability to use the process to elect leaders and then come together behind those leaders. So I'll now announce the results. There were 300 ballots prepared, not knowing exactly how many delegates we had. We wanted to make sure we had sufficient ballots for everybody to vote. Prior to the balloting commencing, we had 157 voting delegates approved and announced to you. During the balloting, 7 additional people were approved by the Credentials Committee, having shown up and signed in. 6 of those were unit votes. 1 of those was a board member. So the total voting universe was 164. We counted the uncast ballots after distributing the ballots, and there were 138 uncast ballots. That matched with the number of ballots that we distributed of 162. So we had 2 individuals who were eligible to vote but did not vote. I'll now read the results in the same order we took nominations yesterday. Starting first with Sergeant at Arms. We have 69 votes for Jim Shoemaker, 92 votes for Aaron Park. Aaron Park. He's re-elected as Sergeant at Arms. For Voter Registration Secretary, we had 44 votes for Nancy Hinton, 91 votes for Steve Sarkis. Congratulations, Steve. You are For Membership Secretary, we had 72 votes for Martin Guffler, 87 votes for George Park. Congratulations, George, for re-elected Membership Secretary. For our Vice Presidents, remember we were voting for 7 Vice Presidents, 5 of whom will serve two-year terms, 2 of whom will serve 1-year terms. The 2 with the 1-year term will be the people who finished 6th and 7th in the balloting. With the highest vote tally amongst vice presidential candidates at 139, Tom Hudson is elected Vice President. With the second highest total at 132 ballots cast for Craig Alexander. The third Vice President with 129 ballots cast, Bill Schmidt. The fourth Vice President with 101 ballots cast, Carl Bricky. The fifth Vice President with 99 ballots cast, Steve Macias. Elected to the first of the 2 1-year terms with 95 ballots cast, Tim Thiessen. Elected to the second of the 2 the 1-year terms with 88 ballots cast, Alice Khosravi. All of these votes were very close. Steve Frank finished with 83 votes in favor of Steve Frank. Hallelujah. And now the moment many of you have been waiting for. The presidential race was equally close with a tally of 84 votes to 78 votes, the new chairman of the California Republican Assembly is John Briscoe. Congratulations to President Briscoe and to all of you who've been elected. I will now entertain a motion, as is our tradition, to destroy the balloting.
So moved. Seconded.
Second. Do I hear any objection? Hearing no objections, I will destroy the ballots, and this concludes my report. Thank you all.